This is a gently used Adam Julite with no dressing room. It is a 2017. It is a steel frame aluminum skin. It's got a wooden floor with rubber mats, one-piece aluminum roof. Got 2 escape doors with sliding windows. 2 windows in the nose. Those are crank out windows. 2 saddle racks. And some bridle hooks. Spare tires mounted inside. 2 pop-up roof vents. Interior lights. These breast and butt bars are padded. Padded divider, padded wall. And you can take this entire divider piece out. Got interior horse ties. And there's some on the outside as well. There's a light on the back of the trailer that, a switch on the back of the trailer that's going to operate your load light and your interior horse area lights. The trailer has new tires. Tires were replaced due to age, not due to wear. Rear ramp. Getting a little foggy here. Sorry, it's a little steamy here today. So you've got switches here for your load light and for your interior lights. So once you're plugged into your vehicle, those will work off those switches. Over this rear ramp is double doors. You can travel with those doors open on hot days. Looks like that might need a tiny bit of adjustment, no problem. These doors latch back. And this is the 2017 Adam Julite steel frame aluminum skin. Very, very gently used. Brand new tires. 2 escape doors. Straight load. Windows in the nose. Windows in the escape doors. This is a great little trailer. Located at Trailer Country LLC in Carrollton, Virginia. The trailer's priced at $8,500. And you can see it at www.trailercountryllc.com.